You have the idea, you know that there is something huge here. How do you start? What were the first steps?
Yeah, I mean, I think the first step is and people always are afraid of that first step because I think that they want to do things right the first time, but the first step is to just take the first step. It sounds kind of not very intelligent to say something like that, but it is, just do something that's going to get your product in people's hands, or do something that is what you think going to solve the initial problem. So that's really what I think we did, is we didn't really care if this was the right way to do something in the product or the wrong way. I think we just put it out and we just listened to feedback. And I think that that's always what people need to do when they're launching a product, is just fail first and then iterate quickly. And people can't be afraid to put something out with the fear of like, did I get it right the first time? Because I'll tell you right now, we're 4 years into it and we still don't have things right, but we're still moving up. So I think it's always a learning process.
So less preparing and planning and more action.
More action. I think you can have paralysis by analysis if you just spend too long doing research and all this stuff. Run small tests, figure out what works quickly, figure out what doesn't work quickly, and move forward.
Of course. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch the full podcast episode by clicking here, or watch another interesting video by clicking here. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section and see you in the next one.